Hi beautiful people, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This is your girl Risa. If you're new to Stir Taste Adjust, welcome. This is where I help you cook gut-friendly recipes and add simplicity to your everyday decision about food. With that said, I invite you to subscribe. It would greatly help my channel. And guys, please remember to ring the notification bell so you will be notified when I post these videos. Guys, as you can see, I'm trimming some zucchini here and I'm getting ready to show you how to make two different recipes using zucchini. So let's jump right into the video and get started. The first zucchini recipe that I'm going to share with you is zucchini spaghetti. I will be using this julienne peeler. The great thing about these peelers is that you likely already have one in your kitchen. These peelers, they slice the zucchini very thin and they make the most delicate noodles that I know you're gonna love. So this is how I do it. And guys, there are other ways that you can get your zucchini spaghettis with other equipments, but using the julienne side of this peeler is the cheapest way that I have seen or found. And it is pretty simple. Once you slice your zucchini with the julienne peeler, you just use your fingers and break the strands apart. The downfall though that I found with this particular peeler is that it leaves this big chunk of zucchini once you're finished. So that's the only downfall. But apart from that, it is super easy and quick to be done. And it makes good zucchini spaghettis. Look at that. So beautiful. So guys, you see how simple that is? I am finished. 7 minutes tops and zucchini spaghettis are ready. These are zucchini spaghettis that your children would love. It is different, it's exciting, and it will get them interested to eat more veggies. So let me show you one way that I prepare these zucchini noodles for dinner. Being from the Caribbean, I love oxtail. So here I just add some oxtail to the top of those spaghetti noodle and I garnish with bell pepper and spring onions. If you don't eat meat, you can eat this zucchini straight off the bat. You can just add some garlic and onion and you're all set. So they're very versatile and they are super delicious and healthy. The second zucchini recipe I'll be sharing with you, they are crispy, flavorful Parmesan zucchini sticks. They are oven roasted, it's healthy, it's nutritious, and guys, be aware, they are very addictive. The very first thing that we're gonna do is to add some simple ingredients in this bowl right here. So we've completed the Parmesan dry rub. We're going to put that aside and start preparing the zucchini. So to cut these zucchini sticks, this is what I did. I cut one zucchini in half and then that half I cut in another half. And I just sliced those halves in small little pieces that I think would be bite sizes. So it's very simple, just like what I'm doing here. You see that? The next thing I'm going to do is to add some olive oil to the zucchini sticks. It's not open, just like that. Rub the oil all over the zucchini sticks to ensure that they're all coated. And from there, guys, it's a breeze. Next, we're gonna coat the zucchini sticks in the Parmesan cheese mixture, layer them on the baking sheet, and we are on our way to something delicious. So guys, these two recipes I'm sharing with you, they are perfect if you're introducing vegetables to your children or wanting them to eat more vegetables. So we know how children love spaghettis and french fries. These two zucchini recipes are the perfect example or the perfect substitute for any 2 of those recipes. And listen, they don't only come like, oh, they're bland or boring. They are super delicious depending on what you put on them. And the zucchini stick with that Parmesan cheese, it's the bomb. Guys, after 10 minutes, the Parmesan zucchini sticks are ready. I will be having these with some delicious jerk salmon. If you'd love to see how I make these jerk salmon, just let me know in the comment section down below. If you look at this plate, it seems like a decoration. It's so beautiful. I'll be having this tonight for dinner. I hope I'll be hearing from you in the comment section down below if you had made these recipes and if your children love them. I would love to know. Guys, it's a pleasure sharing these recipes with you, and I'll see you soon. What good? Peace.